7 Airborne.
I am a customer logistics site specialist, and I support Norfolk Naval Shipyard, Portsmouth, Virginia, which is also known as America's Shipyard. I ensure that the shipyard has all the material and supplies that they need in order to perform the maintenance and repair for the naval ships and submarines and vehicle craft that come into the shipyard. I will try to ensure that their needs are met. Reaching out to other assets of DLA, if I don't have the answers, to make sure that they get the answers and support that they need. I am a Navy veteran. I was that sailor out there needing those parts and that maintenance to be completed. And now I'm on the supporting side. It feels good to give back, to make sure that those sailors are out there and any other branch of the military that they get what they need and they can protect us to make this world a better place.